In this video we're going to show you how to install a power supply in a case. So here we got our case, and here's our power supply that we're going to go ahead and stick in here. First, orientate it correctly. Now if you look down here, coming from this side, you can see this is what the power supply is going to rest on. Back over here, where my thumb is hitting, is also what the power supply is going to rest on. So you have to angle the power supply in just right, so it slips behind the gap down there, and then you bring it forward so it comes to rest on there. Now we look on the back side here, and we check to see if our screws line up. Now if our screws are all lined up, we can go ahead and grab our Phillips screwdriver and the screws that come with the power supply. Go ahead and place one hand on the back of the power supply to position the screw just right, and thread in your first screw. Don't tighten down the screw all the way. Go ahead in the alternating fashion, move it around until you got the hole lined up just right, and apply the next screw. Now this screw you can go ahead and snug down. The reason why we didn't tighten down the first one is so we can get the holes lined up just right, and allows us for wiggle room to make everything line up perfectly. Go ahead and apply your next screws. And don't forget to tighten down the first one. And that is how we install a power supply.